Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your S Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, search for S Bank login. And as the search result, you can see the options here. Click on the first one. It will take you to the official website of S Bank. And over here at the top right corner, you can see login button. Click on it and click on S Online. It will redirect you to the login portal of S Bank, and over here enter your login ID of your account. Once you do that, enter your password over here. After that, click on login button. You will be logged into your S Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your login ID or password, you can click here forgot login ID and forgot password to reset it. And if you want to create a new account on S, and you can click here register here to register with net banking of S Online. So this was for this video. This is how you can log in into your S Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.